Hello guys, it's Elkskins. Let's have a little quick walk and talk. Alright. This just got back from Terrell's. I pressure washed it today, and I've got some plans. First I'll start off with this. I went and picked up this, 75 bucks. It needs some work. I need to grind these down. This thing needs repainted. Somebody grind out this extra groove over here, so that needs welded up. The sheet metal is loose on the plow itself, but that's all work that can be done later. So, the other day I got a call from the parts manager from John Deere. I brought home this. One of his customers said, take it. So, engine sold. It's got Tecumseh V-twin. Front end sold. Transmission sold. And I was contacted by a cousin of mine. Here's this Alice B10. Sold. Dynamark. Parting out. Front end is sold already. I'm keeping the amp gauge for the Suburban 12. This is actually the correct exhaust, but it's rotted out. But it's actually the correct exhaust for a cast iron engine. Here's the mower deck for the Alice. My buddy's getting that. That's a 42. It's all locked up. Here's the other Dynamark I picked up last night. Engine been rebuilt. It's coming off. Front end sold. Anything else I can find, it will be taken off. So, there's going to be a lot of work within the next week and a half. But today, I probably will start disassembling and start getting the scrap pile ready. And we'll go from there. Now, this tire and that tire, I gotta clean them up. They're gonna go on a good, decent set of AYP rims for the back of that Suburban 12. I gotta go through and find the good ones. Because I don't like the narrow tires. So, pretty much that's a yard update. Like I said, I'm going to be hauling scrap next week. So, this will be out of here. The MTD will be out of here. The Dynamark will be out of here. This chipper shredder will be out of here, hopefully, if I can get it apart. This junk push mower is going. Most of this crap over here is going. The junkyard I go to, I can't take this. It will have to go to the other one. And I'll have to take all the plastic off of the, So, basketball hoop, that's what it was. Anyway, guys, Next week, I'm going to start, like I said, start cleaning up slowly for winter. Getting some of this stuff done. I'm going to be pulling apart these 3 frames here, hopefully. Getting the rest of what I need off of them. And they'll be gone. So I can open up that area. The Suburban 12 parts machine. It will be out of here. The ST10 over there. It will be out of here. Pulling the engine, transmission, whatever else I want. It'll be pulled off. This one, the parts machine, I'm going to take the dash off even though it's busted. The transmission. And whatever else I think will work. Sooner or later we'll get to the Indy 500. But the Toro 416, if anyone wants it that's local, hit me up. Got to be in the Northwest Indiana area, and I'm not hauling it. Unless you're going to come pick it up. This frame here, it's still got good parts on it, good transmission. It's staying. I might move it, but it's staying. This thing here, it's going. Pulling the engine off. So you can see there's a couple loads here. I've had some miscellaneous tillers back there. Those are going. I'm done, tired of looking at them. Not doing anything with them. My DR trimmer, it broke. So I have to look into fixing it. I have to figure out if I have parts to fix it, which I'm pretty sure I do. I think the coil went. So I'll have to verify that. So anyway, guys, there's a lot of work that's going to be getting done. I got to go through up there still too. The neighbors' tractors are going to get put on the other side of the fence. And we'll go from there. When I do the tires, I also am hoping to get the fronts this week. So, alright guys, I'm going to quit talking and get some stuff done. I got to unload the Suburban 12. Alright guys, thanks for watching.